In this video, you'll learn how to create a software as a service application using Lovable. This guide will take you through each step necessary to set up your app effectively. Begin by navigating to the Lovable website, open your preferred web browser, and enter the URL for Lovable. Once the page loads, ensure you see the main interface, which features options for creating and managing your SaaS applications. Next, look for a message that prompts you with the text, "Got an idea?" This message usually appears prominently on the homepage. This indicates that you are in the right place to start the process of building your application. After that, locate and click on the Home button in the navigation menu. This action will refresh the page and ensure you are accessing the latest features and updates available on the platform. Type "Create a SaaS app" into the search bar located at the top of the screen. This search function helps you find relevant tools and templates specifically designed for SaaS app development. Make sure to input the phrase accurately to get the best results. Once you have entered the phrase, press the Enter key on your keyboard. This action will initiate the search and display a list of options related to SaaS application creation. Wait for the results to load, which should only take a few moments. You will see a message that says exploring SaaS architecture possibilities. This section provides insight into the various frameworks and structures you can use for your application. Familiarize yourself with the different options presented here. Next, find the section titled Evaluating SaaS Architecture Options. This will help you compare and contrast different architectural choices. Take your time to review these options as they are crucial for the functionality of your app. Then navigate to the part that discusses reviewing SaaS landing page scope and components. This section outlines essential elements that should be included in your app's landing page. Understanding these components is vital for effective user engagement. Now, click on the Chat AI or prompt feature to add more functionalities to your application. This feature allows you to incorporate additional capabilities that enhance user experience. Ensure you explore all available options to maximize what your app can offer. Finally, wait for Lovable to generate your app. This process may take a few moments depending on the complexity of the application you are creating. Be patient as the system works to compile your project. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.